Loading paper in an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M125-128 printer series. With the toner cartridge installed and the output tray fully extended, pull out the paper input tray extension and slide the paper width guide to its outermost position. Plug one end of the power cord into the back of the printer and plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance. When you power on the printer will automatically start the initialization process. Align a stack of paper by tapping it on the table, then load the paper into the input tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the paper. You are now ready to print the alignment pages. Follow the instructions on the display console.